Hi, everybody. I'm Mark Brennan. I'm a specialist on the secondary math team, and this screencast is going to talk about using the external tool feature in Canvas to make a Google Doc cloud assignment. I've gotten some feedback that some of you are interested in using that feature that's coming out with some of our centrally produced modules for online learning, but you're not really sure how it works or what the advantages are of doing that over just having students submit a URL. So we'll talk about that too. So here you can see my classroom space for my students. And so from modules, I just want to show you that this would apply to any assignment. And so that is this icon here with the little paper and pencil. And this is the one we're going to look at, this distributive property practice. And so if I open up this page, this is what students will see. They'll see that they can load this in a new window. And if they click on that, it's going to give them their own copy of this document that they can type into and edit. And the only difference that they'll see is a blue submit button up here. So from your dashboard as the teacher, you'll be able to use SpeedGrader just like you would a quiz or any other assignment to access all of those docs that they've submitted to you. And the advantage of doing this over having them share a URL with you is that you don't need to make sure they've appropriately turned on share settings for their document. So you wouldn't run into an issue where you're trying to grade their work and you don't have access to it. So let's look at how I would create one. And so this is just my assignments page from Canvas. And so if I click on assignment, and the way that I choose a cloud assignment is down here in the settings. And the submission type that I would want is this external tool. And if I click on this Find button, it's going to bring up some different options. And what I want is the Google Docs Cloud assignment. And if you know the name of your assignment, you can just start to type that in. I want to go with this student notes page. I select it. And if you choose this option, load this tool in a new tab, then it will open it in a new tab or window for students so that they can still access whatever it is they're doing in Canvas at the same time. If you add a due date, that will add it to your course calendar. Right now, this is set up to sync to my gradebook, which I don't want to do, and then I just save. And the last thing that I wanted to show you is how you can access some more information in case you need to do a little bit of troubleshooting from your end. So we've started building in these teacher pages to any of our modules that we're releasing. And so if I open this up, the second bullet here talks about this cloud assignment. And if you are having an issue where the link that's attached isn't loading for students, we are including a copy here that will force a copy of the document. And so you can go ahead and open this up and then just use it once it's saved in your drive as the document that you would attach to the Google Cloud assignment right there. And so that's just a quick overview of a little bit of how you would use this and why.